Installation and operation of desktop high vacuum evaporation coating instrument. Vacuum pump oil filling. Unscrew the cap. Add the oil provided. Observe the oil level line. This is the minimum amount of oil. This is the maximum amount of oil. Generally, just add the highest amount of oil. After adding oil, tighten the cap. Connect the vacuum pump bellows. Tighten the clamp. The other end of the connection device. Tighten the clamp. Gas connection. Tighten the screws. Secure with a wrench. Another wrench to tighten. Unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Installing the sample. Open the flap. Remove the evaporation source cover. Place evaporation source material. Insert the cover. Close the cavity. Tighten the buckle. Connect the power supply of the equipment and vacuum pump. Power on the device. Click Ignore. Click to enter the operation interface. Turn on the vacuum pump and start vacuuming. When the vacuum value drops to a body part, open the gas valve. Introduce gas and clean the cavity for about 3分钟 use. After cleaning, tighten the gas valve. Click to set the film thickness meter parameters. Click Settings. Click Select. For example, aluminum. Click Apply. Click to return. Click on the film thickness reset. Click to return. Click to set the sample state speed. For example, 15. Click Forward. Rotating. Click to switch constant current mode. Setting the evaporation time. For example, 200. Click OK. Set the constant current. For example, 50. Click OK. Click to start evaporation. After the current reaches the set current, the current will remain constant. Cavity glow can be observed. Click to switch to manual mode. Now operate in manual mode. Setting the evaporation time. For example, 150. Click to start evaporation. Rotate to adjust the current. Observe the current change. Adjust to a suitable size. Cavity glow can be observed. After coating is completed, click to turn off the sample state rotation. Turn off the vacuum pump power. Open the vent valve. Wait until the vacuum reaches the atmospheric pressure of 10 万帕. Unscrew the buckle. Open cavity. Remove the sample. The experiment is completed.